The car won't start. Try again. The owner went to the repair shop, cleaned the throttle valve, replaced the spark plugs and ignition coil, even cleaned the entire car's oil circuit. He spent $3,000. Problem still not solved. Today I will look at this glitch. Hey, I know there is another part. Look, that's it. It's called camshaft position sensor. Let's take it apart and have a look. Unplug this plug. We pull out the sensor.
哇塞！
The sensor is covered with sludge. Next, let's clean it up. Let's find a bottle of cleaning agent like this. Come and see.
哇塞！
These are all sludge. Okay, it has been cleaned. Next, we will install it back. Okay, the parts have been installed, bro. Next, I'll get in the car. Check to see if the engine can start. If it can be started, please light your red hearts to support me. Did you see it? Smooth start. Try again. Started successfully. Test the engine. The power is very strong.